Hey y'all, it's day 41 of my 100-day challenge. And I have to be honest, today was supposed to be all about rest. But if you know real estate, you know sometimes the work just finds you. So I actually showed a few homes today after church because, of course, when my clients are ready, I'm ready. But I still made today a priority to keep today light and intentional. Even with a few showings on my schedule, I treated today as my reset day. This is a time for me to reflect on what worked last week, right? Also to recharge my energy and get mentally prepped for the next week ahead. I took a moment to sit still. I wrote some of my goals and just to breathe. Because even when business is busy, I've learned how it's so important to protect your time. I protect around about 30 minutes of quiet time and do it with a cup of tea. And I know if you're in a season where the lines between work and rest blur, I see you, I get it. But you don't have to choose one or the other. Just make space for both. So that's all I got for y'all today. And tomorrow we're back to the grind. But today I honored both of my commitments, one to my client and the other to myself. So I'll see y'all for day 42. But until then, rest well and plan with purpose. Smile and be a blessing.